Hello class. Today also we are going to be solving an equation, but the equation this time is somehow confusing. So to do this, let's try it together. You see, we have x squared minus x here, and we have x squared minus x. The easiest way to do it and the fastest is to do what we call assumption. Let x squared minus x, let's say let it be equal to t. You get it? So you substitute t here, and you substitute t here. So we have t all over 2 plus what? 2 all over t is what? Is equal to 2. So if you like, you can take the LCM. The LCM was 2t. So 2 into 2t, we are going to have t. T times t, we have what? T squared plus t into 2t to give us 2 times 2, we now have 4, which is equals to 2. So if you cross multiply, we are definitely going to have what? T squared plus 4 is equals to what? 2t times 2. So we have t squared plus 4 is equals to what? 4t. So we now have t squared plus 4 minus 4t is equals to 0. So in that case, this becomes t squared minus 4t plus 4 is equals to 0. So it has been transformed into quadratic equation. So the coefficient of t squared, which is a is 1, b is what? Minus 4, which is the coefficient of t itself, and c is equals to 4. So using the factorization method, which is the fastest, a times c is what? 1 times 4, which is equals to 4, and our b is equals to what? Minus 4. So we are going to think of two numbers that when we multiply them together to give us 4, and when we subtract or add them, it will give us what? Minus 4. Those two numbers are what? Minus 2, which will give us what? Minus 4. And if you say 2 times 2, it will definitely going to give us what? 4. So we are going to apply it here. So we have t squared minus 4t plus 4 is equals to 0. So since we are dealing in terms of t, in place of this, we are going to say minus 2t, which is what? Minus 4t. You get it? So I'm going to replace this. So we have t squared minus 2t minus 2t plus 4 is equals to 0. So in that case, you see, we can say t, I'm going to factorize t out, t minus 2, you see, t is already out, t is factorized here, minus what? 2 bracket t minus 2 is equals to 0. So let's verify it. Minus 2 times t to give us minus t. Minus times minus is plus, 2 times 2 is 4. So you see, we pick one. So we now have t minus 2 bracket t minus 2, which is equals to 0. So we now have t minus 2 is going to be 0 what? 2 times, which is twice. You get it? But we assumed that here t is going to be what? 2 what? Twice. You get it? But mark you, if you remember from our question, there is no t. We are asked to solve the equation, so it means we are going to obtain the value of x. We only assumed t to simplify our solving. So recall that what? X squared minus x is equals to t. You get it? So for t is equals to 2, you get it? So I'm going to substitute it here. So we have x squared minus x, which is going to give us what? 2 now. Why? Because we said t is equals to 2 and we obtained t to be 2 here. So this is positive. If it crosses the equal sign, we now have x squared minus x minus 2 is equals to 0. So we now have a quadratic equation. We now have what? A quadratic equation. So in that case, our a also is 1, our b is minus 1, and our c is what? Minus 2. So we now have a times c is going to be what? 1 times minus 2, which is what? Minus 2, and our b is minus 1. So we are going to get two numbers that when we multiply them to give us minus 2, and when we plus or subtract to give us minus 1. So those two numbers are what? Minus 2 plus 1 is going to give us what? Minus 1, or if you like in terms of x, minus 2x plus x minus 2x plus x is going to give us what? Minus x. You get it? So so we are going x squared minus x minus 2 is 0. This is the main quadratic equation we are going to solve. So in place of minus x, we are going to replace it with this. We now have x squared minus 2x plus x minus 2 is equals to 0. So here we can substitute, we can factorize x. So in that case, if we factorize x here, we now have only x here minus what? 2 plus what? You see, the only thing we can factorize here is only 1. So 1 bracket x minus 2 is 0. So you see, this and this, we pick 1, x minus 2 bracket x plus 1 is equals to 0. So in that case, we now have x minus 2 is equals to 0, or x. So x minus 2 is 0. So in that case, our x is equals to 2 or minus 1. So therefore, these are going to be our values of x. So x minus 2 is 0. So in that case, our x is equals to 2 or minus 1. So therefore, these are going to be our values of x.